This is a product demonstration video for Sabre Ease nitrous oxide oxygen demand valve. Please note the safety procedures. Check that the cylinder valve connection and inlet O-ring are clean and in a good condition. Attach the regulator to the cylinder and tighten the yoke firmly by hand. Turn on the cylinder valve slowly. Check that the contents gauge points to a green or white part of the dial. If there is insufficient gas for treatment, replace the cylinder. To change the cylinder, turn the gas supply off and depressurize the system by depressing the demand valve test button. Release the regulator T-bar until there is sufficient clearance between the yoke and the valve. Remove the regulator from the cylinder. To connect to an ease regulator fitted with a BS5682 quick release coupling, push the probe firmly into the ease socket. Turn the socket collar clockwise to withdraw the probe. Ease demand valves with BS5682 probes can be connected to a wall terminal by pushing the probe into the terminal outlet. To disconnect from the wall terminal, push back the outer collar and withdraw the probe. When not in use, disconnect the ease from the gas supply. The unit should always be used with a bacterial and viral filter in place between the demand valve and mouthpiece or mask. To fit a mask, select a mask or mouthpiece as appropriate for the patient and fit to the demand valve by pushing it over the outlet on the patient valve. The unit should be checked by lightly pressing the test button. Gas should be heard flowing through the mask or mouthpiece. On releasing the test button, the flow should stop. A 50-50 mix of nitrous oxide and oxygen should only be administered by persons trained to do so and under qualified medical supervision. The patient should be given the demand valve to hold themselves and instructed to breathe normally and not remove the mask or mouthpiece when exhaling. When treatment has been completed, close the cylinder valve and operate the test button to depressurize the system. Clean the system as described in the attached cleaning label. The cylinder contents and the operation of the system must be checked monthly and prior to use. All components should be checked on a monthly basis for wear, tear and function and replaced as required. Before each use, perform an audible and visual check for hose leaks. If a leak is detected or there is damage to the connections or hose, the hose must be replaced. Ease should be serviced by trained personnel in accordance with the service manual. A service manual with service and test equipment is available from GCE upon completion of the relevant training course. Alternatively, the equipment can be returned to GCE for servicing at Gas Control Equipment Limited, Unit A, 8 Pennington Court, Moss Industrial Estate, Lee, Lancashire, WN7 3PT. Telephone +44 01942 665 202.